Hi everyone, welcome to our first video. I'm P and I'm here to help you with reading. Now I know sometimes the reading can be difficult, but with consistent practice you can actually get better. And what I seek to do in this channel is to make reading so simple. And in this first class, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce phonic sounds. Now, phonic sounds are actually the foundation that you need to be able to read words. So they help you to pronounce words. Now, I have with me here letter A. This is letter A, and this is the picture. This is the way we draw letter A, and it's called A because that's the name, but the sound is actually A. Now you need the name to spell, but you need the sound to pronounce, right? So the sound is A, A, right? Then we have B, and the sound is B, B, right? Then we have C. This is C, and the sound is K, K, right? Then we have D, and the sound is D, D, right? Then we have E. This is E, and the sound is E, E. Again. Then we have F. This is F, and the sound is again, right? Then we have G. This is G. This is G, and the sound is G, 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 right? Then we have this. This is H, H, and the sound is like you're relaxing, right? Then we have this is I, and the sound is E, E, right? Then you have J, and the sound is J, J, right? Then you have K, and the sound is again, right? Then you have L, letter L, and the sound is L. Again, L. Good. Then you have M, and the sound is mm. One more time, mm. Right? Then you have N. This is letter N, and the sound is na, na, na. Right? Then this is O, and the sound is O, O. Right? Then you have P, and the sound is P, P, P. Right? Then you have Q. This is letter Q, and the sound is Qu, Qu. Again, Qu. Right? Then you have R. This is R, and the sound is R, R. Again, R. Then you have S, and this is S. One more time, S. And you have this with you. This letter is T, T, letter T, and the sound is T, T, right? Then you have this one. I like this one a lot. It's pronounced, this is letter U, but the sound is O, O. Now, I know you might have heard something like that before in letter O, but the sound is actually different. It's pronounced O, O, right? Now, you have this letter V, V. Again, V, right? Then you have this W, and the sound is W, W, right? Then you have this letter X, and the sound is X, like box, right? X, right? Then you have this Y, and the sound is Y, Y. Then we're at the end, the last one, right? The last one, this Z, and the sound is Z, Z, right? Now, if you started this video with me and this was very helpful, you found out that you are actually able to pronounce sounds from A to Z, and this content was valuable, I would like you to click on the subscribe button. And in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use this sound to form words. So see you next time.